Here we have a problem on ratio. Okay, let's go with the question. Rounaq weighs 56.7 kilograms. If he reduces his weight in the ratio 7 to 6, find his new weight. Okay, so here we have the weight of 56.7 kilograms for Rounaq. So he reduces his weight in the ratio 7 to 6. After the reduction, what is his new weight? That's what we have to find. Okay, whenever a quantity is changed in a particular ratio, and if I want to find the new quantity, there is a formula. Okay, now first let me write the required stuff. Let me consider some quantity as original quantity. Let me write the stuff over here. So we have some original quantity. So it is changed. It may increase or decrease in the ratio A to B. And after the change, we get new quantity. Let me write it over here. Now, my aim is to find the new quantity. So to find this new quantity, there is a formula. Let me write it over here. So to find new quantity, the formula is going to be, we have to consider the second term of the ratio. It has to be multiplied by the original quantity. Let me write it over here. So original quantity, and this result has to be divided by the first term of the ratio, that is A. So this is a formula. Let me mark it over here. This is a formula we have to find the new quantity when original quantity is changed in a particular ratio. And also even from the ratio, we can decide the quantity is going to be increased or decreased. For example, let me consider the ratio 3 to 5. That is original quantity is changed in this ratio 3 to 5. So now to understand whether the original quantity is going to be increased or decreased, so we have to look at the ratio from left side to right side. When I look at the ratio from left side to right side, if it is in the increasing order, that is it has been changed from 3 to 5, that is in increasing order. That means the original quantity is going to be increased. So when it is changed in the ratio 3 to 5. So for example, let me consider another ratio like 8 to 7. So when I look at this ratio from left side to right side, what's happening? It has been decreased from 8 to 7. That is when you change a quantity in this ratio 8 to 7, it will be decreased. So like even from the ratio, when I look at the ratio from left side to right side, I can understand. So whether your quantity is going to be increased or decreased. When I look at the ratio we have in our problem 7 to 6, when we look at this ratio from left side to right side, it's decreasing from 7 to 6. So clearly the quantity, the original quantity 56.7 kilograms is going to be decreased. Okay, now let's find the new weight of Rounaq. Let me write the stuff over here. New weight of Rounaq equals to, so according to the formula what I've explained over here, I have to take the second term of the ratio. In our ratio, the second term is 6. It has to be multiplied by the original quantity. The original quantity is the existing weight of Rounaq, that is 56.7. It has to be divided by the original, the first term of the ratio, that is 7. Let me write over here. Okay, now we have to simplify this numerical expression to get the new weight of Rounaq. So here 7 goes into 7 one time, 7 goes into 56 8 times. Since we have decimal over here, here we can decimal point, and 7 goes into 7 one times. So now we have 6 times 8.1. Okay, when I multiply 8.1 and 6, I am getting 48.6 divided by 1. So the denominator 1 can be ignored. That is after Rounaq reduces weight in the ratio 7 to 6, his new weight is 48.6 kilograms.